So today we have got another parcel, and this is because I'm not comfortable in our life jacket. It seems quite bulky around our neck somehow if we're keeping it on all the time. So David has treated us to these. Feels lighter than our other one. Still got a couple of way in. It is a Baltic Athena. Okay, work out. And it's a lady one. So, does it have? Yes, it does. Right, I thought I was going loopy because that doesn't fit into there. Did I? I tried it, but no, that is my crutch one. So that goes down, that fastens across there. And it's this little one that goes in. Gosh, that feels so much better. Because it actually cuts across as well. So it comes round the breast. That's comfier. And I haven't got the... You can do that. I haven't got that pressing on my neck like that. Brilliant. They're I think they're going to be well worth. So, a fortnight ago, I went for normal mammograph, and they found something. And yes, it is the C. So I now have to go for an MRI scan and work out what kind of operation is going to happen, whether it's a lumpectomy or whether it's a full mastectomy and a rebuild. And with this crisscrossing like it does, because it's my right one as well, so hopefully it'll be comfier than having it pressing on both. So fingers crossed.
And so yeah, that it's been a bit of a kick in the teeth, to be honest, for Janet. It is going to cause us a little bit of a delay yet again.
Stop making plans.
Yeah, as soon as we made plans, this is all happened in January 2023. But what I will say is the NHS absolutely brilliant. It's only 3 weeks ago that Janet went for a mammograph.
Which just
we were back at Stockton Hospital, Northern General or something, I think it is, I'm not sure which. A week later for a biopsy. A week later, back at the same hospital, Stockton Hospital, for the results with a consultant, which that's where Janet was diagnosed. And 2 days later, we're going to Hartlepool Hospital for an MRI. And then
that's to say how big the tumour actually is. Right, that's when we found out it's a lobular cancer, which means it's flat. It doesn't grow in the lumps and bumps. That's the reason why I've never found anything. Because ever since my mum was diagnosed with breast cancer 15 years ago, I have, if I haven't done it weekly, I have at least done it monthly, checking, and even the doctor, there's nothing to feel. So a word of advice, if you get offered mammographs or anything else, go for it. And not only that, but what has come today?
A poop test.
So this is where I find out whether I'm like my mum and just got breast cancer, or I'm like my grandma and riddled.
So that's to be done on the poop deck.
Ha 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 ha.
So, yeah, it is important for any cancer to catch it early, and I think the good news on this is
hopefully it's still quite small and it's going to be an easy fix. It shouldn't be like my mum had a 3-year backwards and forwards to hospitals, treatments, radiotherapy, chemotherapy, you name it, and my mum ended up with it, and it was 3 years of hard slog backwards and forwards to hospitals. So hopefully, fingers crossed, there shouldn't be any chemo. If there's radiotherapy, it'll be just a short dose, but time will tell.